Oliver Baker akokeka nsɛm bi ɛwɔ social media so a wodi gu appointment committee ho fi no yɛno nam so ma minority caucus in parliament a de odi wɔ manim afanyɔma akins ɔno so mufu yi Oliver ne nsɛm akokeka no ɛyɛ ɔma yɛntie ahiafo nsɛm a ɔde to dwa no.
Our attention is drawn to the media statement by Oliver Baker Vomawo to the effect that 1. The majority members of the appointment committee have been demanding money before approving the nominees, and the chairman must submit himself to oral. Let me place on record that I am ever ready to submit myself to oral. The second aspect was to the effect that all the committee members are taking money from the nominees before vetting and approval. This morning, we need to stop certain attitude. So therefore, I, Bernard Ahiafo, First Deputy Speaker of Ghana's Parliament and the Chairman of the Vetting Committee, wants to place it on record that myself and the committee members do not demand money from any nominee before vetting and approval.
Okokeka nsɛm kyerɛ appointment committee yɛfrɛ no okoduru hɔ no wɔntena fa kɔtɔ anyɛ nkwan ɔkɔbu nkotodwe akɔpa akyɛw ɔkɔ ne lawyer panyin ɔde ne di n'akyi ɛyɛ Nana Ato Dadzie America na asɛm abusua Rawlings former president wɔnyɛ ne baabi kɔ n'abrɛ so ɔne ne chief of staff ti saa papa na ɔde di n'akyi no wɔyɛ obi a ne mu du yie ɔno ne ne lawyer a ɔmo kɔɔyɛ na wohwɛ video na nsɛm a na Oliver ka no na akɔyɛ akyɛw panko a ne lawyer so e de beto so say baby bia ni wo a wo kan no ni poster e kofa assembly ni mu say appointment committee for akɔgye sika name na a general statement and that work.
I claim your indulgence for context and clarity as to why my post. In the book, Mr. Manasseh said Muntaka never mentioned that the only cash that came to the appointment
Are you going to know the application or you want to render an apology and we close this meeting?
Mr. Chair, I have no intention to lecture the committee. If the committee resolves that the context of the post is irrelevant to the commission, the question here, I'm happy to proceed as the committee has directed. Now,
proceed as the committee has directed.
Mr. Chair, I am saying here clearly that my post was not intended to disparage members of the committee, and I have not intended to say that members of this committee have received or demanded bribes from various individuals. At no point was my statement intended to communicate same, and for those reasons, I apologize. Mr. Chair, the reason why I have left the post on and not deleted it, in fact I did contemplate it, was because I saw that the words had been twisted and that it became imperative on me that I maintain the post in its original form. That if I was questioned on it, reference can be made to be able to verify it. This is the reason why it wasn't deleted.
I did the Morgan Osu. I have Solid TV, a productions at the free Kumasi K studio. Na internet da ho den so baby a wo bia na wanya bia hwe na to yasin konya sele da bia ye no ye be bon komo a ene ye be ko Oliver Baker Vemowo sakwe minim de o pe na Ghana o gene ho ntren ha in free 2024 ye ba abatuo ni mu na ni de shita o ba bia na obi ani senka bia wa ye ne dwumadie awie nka ban foforo abai wo be yedin and so wanye din na wonsem aba yetwa ye homra na ye mehwe sem kro.
Finally, my family is free because of Rome Villa Estate. Yes, this estate is responsible for selling affordable litigation-free lands that have electricity, water, and accessible roads. I am so happy.
Yeah, we say them they can do Jana higher Solid TV. I na beken sa na wa subscribe so nyanye subscriber. Afi sa content ni tomu na unya bi sha na o ma unya bi so anya bi ahwe. Comments no na o ma na ba. Oliver Baker Vemowo ni di no bokra wo so ye Ghana ni so ye Russia ni o and so o ye Ghana ni a free voter region ye nyina ye nim se o ye social activist activism de enema ekoso a wani nye ho na wo ka ho nsem papa your appointment committee share omodwumadi ase e wa bra President John Dramani Mahama or power na powerful na Ghana ye mra kuni hyehyɛ ye ne kyerɛ sɛ also okɔ appointment committee anim ne yekoto to ano sɛ de be ya betima yi ho ano na ye hwɛ sɛ omudu wo sefata sɛ ukɔ ministry kwa ya bodi sɛ kɔna na wonya kwan akwakoye wadwumedie ya sha appointment committee dwumedie na se a papa yi ko gina ono ankasa ne Facebook ne Twitter various social media handles some of the kotu dwa no won say hey appointment committee no mote ho nyina bribe nko na moje se obi ba as an appointee this envelope kufu na moje yenko hwe mra chairman of the appointment committee honorable Ahiafo unyantiye say Oliver Baker akoke kan sembi e social media so a odi go appointment committee hu fi no ni bufu ye pa ye no nam so minority caucus in parliament di odi o manim afanyoma kings ono so bufu yi ye beka ya nipa no wo converting at that time na ye the appointee or the nominee for defense ministry aye friend Dr. Omane Buama ni dwumadi no wudi no krampo no ye tweten sen kakra refi say Oliver ne nsem akokekan no eyomahi yentie Ahiafo ensem a odi tudwa no.
Our attention is drawn to the media statement by Oliver Baker Vomawo to the effect that one, the majority members of the appointment committee have been demanding money before approving the nominees, and the chairman must submit himself to oral. Let me place on record that I am ever ready to submit myself to oral. The second aspect was to the effect that all the committee members are taking money from the nominees before vetting and approval. This morning, instead of starting vetting at least by 10 o'clock, we recall into a conclave to deliberate on this issue. We need to stop certain attitude. So therefore, I, Bernard Ahiafo, First Deputy Speaker of Ghana's Parliament, and the Chairman of the Vetting Committee, wants to place it on record that myself and the committee members do not demand money from any nominee before vetting and approval. I would therefore direct the clerk of the committee to invite Oliver Baker Vomawo to appear before the committee tomorrow at 10 before noon to provide evidence of Bernard Ahiafo, the chairman of the vetting committee, or any member of the vetting committee, to back his claim that we demand money from the nominees before vetting and approval. Clerk of the committee, I so direct. When he failed, then we can invoke the powers of the committee under Article 103 and our own standing order 134. I so direct. Thank you for your attention.
Honorable Ahiafo ono ene appointment committee chairman omo toto President John Dramani Mahama na swafo a wapa wo se omo kodi djuma hodo ono ye chairman odano ne sabenkum so pe ni sanifa so mum ena honorable Afejoma King papa nipa bi mu kire se de wasi soja egu Mahama na appointees no so the questions ni mamu no ano ohye obaya no se da bi obi aka asem kakraka we Oliver Baker ye kana asemi wono ena 2024 before see beto abayi na kakra ama abato na baso o lead demonstration chechirinche ewo enclimantem mai ko wi ase no omko pie the cathedral project site yenyina ni de kosi ye omko pie so no na je se amena donko ena eda cathedral project site wo ensu abetam mu sa nipa na no mu dware wo san su ni mu a na Oliver Baker one raf omo ne di animu enti Oliver de ye betima ka say or a social activist but or sympathies for the National Democratic Congress and me or my form government ono no ko gina ni social media handles ahodo e no ko kekansem say mu jeje bribe appointment committee ye no na nam so a ahianfo so omunia kum Afejoma Kings omunia kum say dienti na abranti ekekansem gu omo so e wa no mo se dabi ye hiaw brafia na be yi hu ano na obeyi hu ano a ne ye hu sensem an wo ka no wo nyina so anase wo ni nyina so omo kan sa asem wewe a Oliver o man home so ano sa ko social media hobio and was other copies who say that is the beauty of democracy. I'm ready for you. My ready pa me ba bihia mo na memu who say I am parampa mo de jiska and sign appointment committee mo approve nominees no abusia yenko Oliver ene okupi appointment committee anim obi a wose wa ready boot for boot se second cry e bitwitwa akuma cry de be papa form okudu appointment committee no nkotodwe na odi go form yefe video no na yembra.
I claim your indulgence for context and clarity as to why my post. In the book, Mr. Manasseh said, Muntaka never mentioned that the only cash that came to the appointment
Are you going to know the certification or you want to render an apology and we close this meeting?
Mr. Chair, I have no intention to lecture the committee. If the committee resolves that the context of the post is irrelevant to the commission, the question here, I'm happy to proceed as the committee has directed. Now,
proceed as the committee has directed.
Mr. Chair, I am saying here clearly that my post was not intended to disparage members of the committee, and I have not intended to say that members of this committee have received or demanded bribes from various individuals. At no point was my statement intended to communicate same, and for those reasons, I apologize. Mr. Chair, the reason why I have left the post on and not deleted it, in fact I did contemplate it, was because I saw that the words had been twisted, and that it became imperative on me that I maintain the post in its original form. That if I was questioned on it, reference can be made to be able to verify it. This is the reason why it wasn't deleted.
Abusia Oliver went man fa koto anyen kwan. Se abusia se afi no abeka yensa na ye kai se Solid TV ni. Se de bia ye sin konwa na ye din komo. Ekeka Ghana nsem de abaso foforo de also oti ase. Ene Oliver Baker vemowo. Obi anim se NDC de ehwenimu. Nendo so or the social activism na akata nani. Okoke kan semtra appointment committee ye frɛ no okoduru ho no wantuma fa koto anyen kwan okobu nkotodwe akopa achew okọ ne lawyer panyi odini di nachi eye Nana Atodazi American Assembly abusia Rawlings former president wonya ne baby ko Nabreso on any chief of staff. It is our papa no didi n'echi no. When you be a ni mu du yie. Ono nene no lawyer a omo koye. Na wo hwe video na ensama na Oliver ka no na akoye achew panko a. Ne lawyer so e de beto so. Se baby bia ni wo a wo kan no ni poster e kofa assembly ni mu. Se appointment committee for akwaje jiska. Name na a general statement and that worker. Abusia yati ase na a general statement a worker. You have the takeaways in this story. Jedi kan answer na Oliver Bika Vemo ubeka sembia etise no na obi anim say wo nyina so e be say yes say abere wase obeto boa bowa na ne nice bibi so wo sha ase di say adwuma we ya obi a oye pipi ni kwa bitima kan kire wo say em say wo kra wo niema wo ye ye ni bi eka ho ene ma Ghana fo nya bufu ewo eye MPP amanyoko ne ho ye no nam so mo koto abai nkuku poto ebae ebi say wo ena mkoye demonstration awon kan ukotu eye police for car ukotu safo ano abusia se mu refi asa branch ona ye kana se mi o wona police for car se mu ye demonstration ne ye police for ba say ye me bo ajapade ni nipa ho ban no ono ne kotu o mu car safo a o de safo no dwane ye no eye Oliver ona ye kana se mi iti be bi kwa ni say mo na mo ma MPP co-opposition and MPP aba power enti eka se mo kasa anase wo ye bibia eka aban na watwam no na nka wompe enka aban de enka ye wo de enti ka de obeka bia no enka ya aban na na wo ka de ma no anase Oliver empanyimfo bi ehye wo bo se fa wo kra wo nipadua ba for de ye activism no kekansem ye niema yo kire ahodo demonstrations na ye ba ye be ma position no so ya sha se ye che ye say ye tete abete no na ne cha no enti onte wudi enti ene nei umunu ya kum na ana se na wo bibia nkasa wo na wo bibia nkasa wo na wo ka ho asema eye den na akodu committee na nimu sebi bema yesi wonsi suoma ansa na waham wo hwa ekwom a wo ho afidi a chopa na wo de ma appointment committee iti Ghana for so a wo ka asasem ni to yetrim ma ebi mu fa tan e wo appointment committee ne ho no wa pa appointment committee a chewo na yedo so wo bepa ya chewa na waka wo say post na ankasa no wo kwa pulling it down na wo pulling it down wa obepa ya chew na obepa ya chewa next time bia no se wo koka asempofo bia wo pese yenyi wuni anasa de fofo ben na betima ka kire Ghana fo a ye besan enya trust ewo mu bio de etoso eno ana hiafo ye niema bi medwe won kra na menti ase emra the defense minister designate or nominee or appear before the committee. Wono and na vetting be baso. And now more committee members are here for honorable Odano Munyani tie. Say obi a church from one sem je bribe. Iti mumu ne yakum mubufu and am suspend the setting. Na tama bibia ko mu issue sermons e de ma Oliver say womrado. Omane boama ebetena committee nanim a mototo na no ensem bia na obusabusa de no na sebi imprediasa wamma Ghana fo nyina ye nkra efi se wakoji ska se de Oliver no wo kan na oba e wantima mekire yi mu mpa eti wubusa omane boama say honorable the minister nominee my friend was it the own friend me from busa say my miskabi that's the one from busa miskabi a enti aye bia honorable in this account class 1 for kra na kasa na kg 4 kra na kasa in the same na ka beka no if we say honorable nominee no mpo say wo ma musika enti were you expecting say ka wo busa no say ye ji musika ansa na oba ha no nti na ka opese won ka se ane na ono so de ko ka ane a e ka megidi se ka ho na ka President Mahama wo revoke in appointment on timi megino MSN kyerɛ sɛ ampara mo frɛ ne ka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔma mu teku anaasɛ sempoa it one of us antics na woyɛ ne nra no me pa cho yemu bi de yehu sɛ ne agro na namudie semoni abre sɛ appointment committee mo yɛ modwuma semoni abre sɛ parliament this time around mo be ma mo dignity and your integrity akosora me pa cho mo lift your game or roni be ka sɛ apt your game na umma nipa nyina hu sɛ moni abra mo yɛ adwuma na sɛ obetoto anoma ho agubetutu anoma ho na de akokyere panyin sɛ anoma beeni na je sɛ wo pɛ sɛ ɔkyekyere nneɛma bi de hyɛ panyin nanum na sɛbi okobi nanum a waka sɛ panyin wadum bon hwan na watue sika ama obi as bribe sɛ mo ba mo approve me na obetu anya kokuduro na obeka sɛ ai honorable me ma mo taku me ma mo sempra ansana mo approve me timpacho sa antics na wo yɛ no sɛbi impreduasa na emfaso bi ani so afanyo markings sɛde na obu afu na wo hu de wonya wo na ayese ye gumanim ase enti sɛbi na be sɛ odi uti kura bodam aye no nam so ma mu free appointment committee dwumadi na mu di na se no honorable yate ase ebi a wo de wonye ebi so na mu nkrofo ni bi die na omagye na honorable sɛ wonye so ne bia wo tirim sɛ dabi wo begye a ene enra de wo ye no so also wo hwe ye wo presidencies bebre ewo yabakosemu especially ewo 2020 emra parliament ekoye hang parliament na parliament ekamya koye se majority and minority na ye only one vote and then separate one somewhere no President Akufo-Addo at the time born in ministers din no call vetting your ministers bebre or my appointments a hangi wo wiem the fast here and commodity course so any exchange of nearby a course one son as some ministers no e approve of no ho sem no never ho ebia Oliver and enya bibi amfa nyina so anka bia wo so kan watra yade atumsa ba ye wa bonte no eni ya yidi appointment committee mochi enye ne nko awu but previous appointment committee dwumadie no yinim se ana nkrofo no nominees ne ba thank you bi medase envelope bi ana ekoso na anyinye bia no se envelope dia kra nkoto sa appointment committee ne monte wo no adwuma no munye ne sa akwa wo ana mo just setting allowance sebi adwuma bebre eya ba adwuma omo ebi committees ahodo ebi ye adwuma ahodo how many of them and ebe mo the privileges mo munya se mo metna ho na mo musa questions enti se mo nyi bibia nipa na o ka asem no ono akotwe asan yaje atum sa nemo mo hwe se omo di akire no envelope bia no eni akire wan hwe obi a wo hwe ni bi o tie na okoka asem bi e won chen se magye a bibi nsi anaase wo mutrim se mo begye a bibi nsi ekobasa eyemoa na mudi muti akwakoje akire ma Abusia Solid TV se dey kan the true jano na mani ne moso gusu a ye hwe bi na ye tie subscription no eyade ehia fi se Ghana nkomo de top form na ye de brem ene ye si nkonwa Oliver Baker na so ye wakokeka nsem ye wie ni efrewa possible mekotojugu form mapa acho ene edi mu si nyame ya adoma ye besan bi hia bio